Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick run through MedVault's new layout. So we've made some significant updates in the last week, and this has had a big impact on the user interface. So today we're just going to quickly run through this new element. So whenever you log into MedVault now, you will now have a home page. The home page is broken up into different categories. We'll see here we have our core practice management dashboards. We then have a category by itself for unclaimed STCs tools. We then also have a category for chronic disease tools. We have a section here now for tutorials and resources where we'll be loading videos like this to help users get to grips with all the different features associated with MedVault. And finally, we have a settings section to help you adjust your password, etc. So within the home page, if we click on any of the categories, it'll show you within the categories the different tools associated. So here we can see a list of all the dashboards available to the practice. If we go back to the home page, the same applies to unclaimed STCs and chronic disease tools. So we can see here the different tools available for unclaimed STCs. So you have our unclaimed STCs identifier, section here for integrated ABPMs and ECGs, and also vaccines. For the chronic disease tool, we've done the same. So here we have our chronic disease identifier, we have chronic disease payments, and also chronic disease recall and management. Within the tutorials and resources section, we'll be adding articles to address frequently asked questions and also video content like this to help get to grips with all the different features. Finally, within settings, you'll be able to easily adjust your password, etc. You may notice that the dashboard drop-down and settings used to be in the top right-hand corner, but now we have a new navigation bar which is on the left-hand side. You can either maximize it or minimize it here. This will also enable you to easily navigate MedVault without having to always go back to the home page. So you can see here we have our dashboards available, we have our unclaimed STCs, chronic disease, settings, help, and resources. So with help, we just have a section here where you can easily send us a message which will hit the support team via email. We still recommend for the fastest reply time to use our chat section here in the bottom right hand corner. So simply click on this, send us a message, and the team should get back to you within about 15-20 minutes. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the new layout for MedVault. You will see that if you need to sign out, that's available in the navigation bar here on the left hand side. One other feature that I will mention, when the navigation bar is compressed, if you hover over any of the categories, it will summarize the tools that are available within that category. So that can be a quick way of accessing any of the tools. Okay, with that said, I think that's everything. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and there's many more to come.